Today, we're going to show you how to combine the flexibility of Formstack Documents with the power of Salesforce to automate your invoicing workflows. This tutorial was inspired by Formstack partner Venn Technology. Interested in having your workflows featured on our Builder's Blog video series? Check out the link below to learn more about becoming a Formstack partner. In today's demo, we'll walk through how to trigger invoices to automatically send when an opportunity is moved to closed won, help you get started with a Formstack Documents template, and share how you can add a document generation button to your Salesforce objects. To kick things off, log into Salesforce and head over to the Formstack Documents app. Select New Document and give your document a title. You have the option of uploading a document, building your own document from scratch using the document builder, or starting with any of our pre-built templates. In this example, we're using a pre-built invoicing template. You can explore our full array of templates by visiting formstack.com/templates. Once you've added your document, you can easily add or delete fields, add your company logo, and update other branding aspects like color, font, and formatting. When you're happy with your invoice template, you're ready to set up your delivery. This email will be what your customers receive with the attached populated invoice. Easily customize and personalize the content by adding merge fields like the client's name and the date of their invoice. Now that we've added our invoice template, we can map fields from our opportunity object to the fields on our template. Once we've mapped our fields, we're ready to set up our automations. Today, we're going to share two different ways to generate your documents from your opportunities. The first way to automatically generate your invoice is by establishing a trigger. A good trigger for this workflow would be to generate a document when an opportunity stage is moved to closed/won. To set up this trigger, check the box Only show this mapping given the following rule. For field, select stage, and for value, select closed won. Save and activate your mapping. Now, when you switch an opportunity to closed won, an invoice will be automatically sent to the email address associated with the opportunity. If you want a little more flexibility around when you send your invoices, you might prefer to use the second option. We're going to add a merge button to our opportunity object. Head over to Setup and choose the Object Manager. Use the Quick Find box to find your opportunity object. Select Page Layouts and drag the Merge Document button to the opportunity object. Now, the Merge Document button will appear on your object. Clicking the button will take the data from your object and use it to populate and send your invoices. This workflow was inspired by Formstack partner Venn Technology. Venn Technology specializes in connecting the tools you use every day. They enhance this workflow by using the power of Workato to connect the accounting software Sage Intacct with their Salesforce instance. Workato comes equipped with dozens of pre-built recipes for integrations. If you don't see the connector you need, Venn Technology has your back. You can test this automated workflow and many more by downloading Formstack Documents for Salesforce from the App Exchange. Check out other videos in our Builder series for more ways to optimize your workday.